Hello and welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're taking a look at a single-owner 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. It comes equipped with a factory 2-inch lift kit, a tonneau cover, heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, a heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, dual zone climate controls, remote start, and a power sunroof. Convenience features include a keyless entry with push-button start, a memory driver's seat, a Bose audio sound system, and heated power folding mirrors. Safety is no concern thanks to the equipped park assist, blind spot alert, and the automatic LED headlights. The touchscreen display allows for hands-free calling via Bluetooth connectivity, while also showing the vehicle's navigation system, Sirius XM radio, and the backup camera. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to click or call and one of our sales representatives will be happy to help.